Hello guys, let us continue our topic of ogive. Now in this video I am going to show you how to draw more than ogive, more than type ogive. That is a representation of the cumulative frequency. The question is the production yield. It is kg per hectare, kilogram per hectare, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65 and so on. And this is the number of forms. So 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. So here n is equal to 100, right? So let us see that this is a question. Now and solution. So we have to draw the table now as it is more than type, which ogive it is more than type. So class interval, that is the production yield kg per hectare. Now here we have to take lower limits and we have to write more than. So more than 50. See, it's the lower limit. So you have to consider lower limits. How to remember? When it is more than type, take lower limits. When it is less than type, take upper limits. It's opposite. So more than, take the lower limits here, more than 50, more than 55, more than 60 and so on. And this is the number of forms, that is the frequency. This is the frequency. Okay, so 2, 8, 12, 24. So this is the question. Now we have to obtain more than type cumulative frequency. As we know that n is 100. So start from 100. That is completely opposite. So take this 100 down and subtract the first frequency. So 100 minus 2, 98. Again bring 98 down, subtract 8. It becomes 90. Bring 90 down, subtract 12, 78. And then bring 78 down, subtract 24. That is 54. And 54 minus 38. So you will get this 16. Okay. So this is the cumulative frequency more than type. Now let us see that how to represent this data on the graph paper. You take graph paper. I have taken a plain paper now. So already I have drawn the x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis take the lower limits. 50, 55, 60, 65. 1 centimeter is equal to here 5. And again crank mark is there because we are not starting from 0. Right, so therefore crank mark is here on x-axis. There is no crank mark on y-axis. We can also use crank mark on y-axis, but as we are starting from 0 on y-axis, so there is no crank mark here. So now 0, 10, 20, 30, these are the hectares. Okay, sorry, these are the number of forms. So this is cumulative frequency, number of forms, the lower limits, production yield, kg per hectare. Now let us see that how to plot. Now see here, now this is a question, this is a table and graph should be together. Now what is the frequency here? 50. So 50 and this cumulative frequency is 100. So we have to take 50 limit. From 50 we have to go up to 100. So this is the point. I will write the this x and y coordinate afterwards. So this is the 100. Then 98. So 950 on 55, 98. So this is the 98. And then 60, it is 90. So this is 90. You can see here for 60 and then this 90. Okay, and then 78 is on 65. So 65, it is 78. Already I have taken dots, so it becomes easy for me to complete. And then on 70 it is 54. So this is 54. And on 75 this is 16. So this is the point. Now you have to join this point by a curve. Start from 100, join all these dots. Just freehand drawing should be there. Now if you want, you can show the point. So this is 50, 100. No need to show, but if you want to show, you can. 55, 98, and this point is 60, 90. Then 65, 78. Then 70, 54. And then last one is 75, 16. And we should show it here, we should write it on the graph, more than put should be in commas, type ogive. Okay, now we can find the median also from this. So now you know that n is 100 and n by 2 is 50. So see that where is 50 here on y-axis. So from here you draw a parallel line to x-axis. Are perpendicular. You can say that this is a perpendicular. And from here you draw the perpendicular to the x-axis from this point. So it meets here 70 at 70. So this 70 will be the median. So median is 70. Actually I have calculated it is 70.5. Now if you draw graph exactly, you will get, now 0.5 will be very less distance from 70 onwards. So this is the how to find median. In last video will come now. In that I will be showing you how to draw both the ogives together and how to find median. One or two more questions I will show you, and we'll complete the this exercise. Homework now you can do exercise 14.4. So you draw this one and show me on your WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye, thank you.